This video is step-by-step run-through to guide international students and their parents from early planning all the way through to arrival in the UK. It's organized as discrete steps for an easy-to-follow vlog segment. Each step has actionable tasks who should lead student and parents in their journey to succeed. So watch till the end. If you like, share it with family friends, and please subscribe as it helps to increase the reach of our channel. The video is divided into following segments. Part 1, the UK education landscape. Part 2, higher education structure. Part 3, teaching style and learning culture. Part 4, assessment and grading. Part 5, admissions and entry requirements. Part 6, living and studying in the UK. Part 7, scholarships and financial support. Part 8, after graduation, opportunities ahead. Part 9, list of top universities in UK. Part 10, key tips for international students. As we drive through the British countryside, past traffic on the roads and quiet villages, let's take a journey of understanding. For thousands of international students, the United Kingdom is more than a destination. It's a dream of world-class education, cultural discovery and personal growth. Before you step foot on British soil as a student, it's important to understand how the UK study system works, how it's structured, what makes it unique, and how you can make the most of it. The UK education system is among the oldest and most respected in the world. It combines tradition with innovation. Universities like Oxford and Cambridge date back nearly 1,000 years, yet they stand alongside modern, globally connected institutions like Imperial College London, the University of Warwick, and the University of Edinburgh. Education in the UK is divided into levels: primary, secondary, and higher education. International students usually enter at the higher education level, which includes undergraduate, postgraduate, and research degrees. At the undergraduate level, most degrees are completed in 3 years in England, Wales and Northern Ireland, or 4 years in Scotland. The most common degrees are BA, Bachelor of Arts, BSc, Bachelor of Science, and BEng, Bachelor of Engineering. Postgraduate taught programs, such as master's degrees, usually last 1 year, which is shorter than in many other countries. This makes UK education time-efficient and cost-effective, without compromising on quality. For those interested in research, the PhD, Doctor of Philosophy, typically takes 3 to 4 years, focusing on independent study, guided by a supervisor. One of the biggest adjustments international students face is the UK's unique teaching style. The focus here is not just on memorization, but on critical thinking, independent learning, and self-reflection. Lectures provide the foundation, but seminars and tutorials are where ideas are challenged and developed. You are expected to question, debate, and research. Professors often act as mentors, encouraging students to take ownership of their studies. Success depends on how well you manage time, think independently, and contribute creatively. Assessment methods in the UK vary, from essays, exams, and lab work to group projects and dissertations. Grades are usually given as first class, upper second, 2.1, lower second, 2.2, and third class. For master's students, distinctions and merits recognize exceptional performance. The system values not just what you know, but how you apply knowledge, analyze information, and communicate ideas. Most UK universities require proof of English language ability through tests like IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE. Academic transcripts, references, and a personal statement are equally important. For undergraduate applicants, the UCAS system manages most applications. Postgraduate students usually apply directly to the university. It's wise to start preparing applications 6 to 12 months in advance. Once accepted, you'll need a student visa, proof of financial support, and an offer letter from your institution. Life as a student in the UK is a blend of academic focus and cultural exploration. Most universities offer student accommodation, either on campus or nearby, and support international students with orientation programs, student unions, and cultural societies. International students can work up to 20 hours per week during term time. This helps many to manage expenses and gain valuable experience. The UK is diverse, from London's vibrant streets to Scotland's serene landscapes, and wherever you study, you'll find people from all over the world. To support international students, the UK offers several scholarships, such as Chevening, Commonwealth, and Great Scholarships, along with many university-specific awards. These scholarships are not just financial help. They're recognition of potential, leadership, and academic excellence. After completing your studies, you can stay and work in the UK through the graduate route, which allows international students to work for up to 2 years, 3 for PhD graduates. This gives you the chance to gain real-world experience and apply your learning in a global environment. Every year, Thousands of students from across the world come to the UK to pursue their dreams of future leaders in various disciplines. But studying here is not only about lectures and laboratories. It's about learning within a system built on integrity, excellence, and patient-centered care. Here is a curated list of top 20 UK universities ranked for international students, with approximate tuition fees and international student support notes. Use it as a planning reference. Fees vary by course and year. Key tips for international students. Chapter 1. Check fees by course. Some subjects, like medicine, engineering, will cost more. 2. Living costs matter. London and South East cost more for accommodation, travel, etc. 3. Scholarships and bursaries. Many universities offer international student scholarships. Always check the university's website. 4. University support services. Choose a school with good international student support, orientation, visa assistance, language services. 5. Career and employability. Consider graduate outcomes, placement opportunities, and sectors of demand. 6. Location matters. A top 30 university outside of London may offer better value and student experience than a top 10 in a very expensive area. So, as we continue our drive through the English countryside, remember, your journey to study in the UK is not just about earning a degree. It's about discovering new ways of thinking, embracing diversity, and finding your place in a world that values ideas and innovation. Before we close this video, please send your comments and subscribe to the channel, and rest assured that you will get many more useful videos coming ahead. Until next time, look after yourself.